Yeah, thank you.
Okay, right. What we did is in our four levels of the training, if you see our course here, what is this first level? 01 practitioner level that we completed. We have here, next is what? Learner level, we are going to start today. Next is what? Specialist level. Learner level talks about totally reports and dashboards. Your practice level totally talking about RPD. Specialist level also again totally talks about your RPD only. And once it is completed, we are going for next level. That is what? This is combination of RPD as well as reports and dashboards. We completed first level, we completed, and we are moving on to the second level. Before moving on to the second level, just let us go and try to recall what we learned last class. Yes, what we learned last class? We learned hands-on 8, we learned it, that is called as level-based measures. So level-based measures, we learned it. So when I need to go for the level-based measures, if I want to calculate any market share, if you want to calculate it, if I want to calculate what? Market share I want it. Then we required here totals, we required it. The totals, if I write the sum of sum, if I write it, it won't work. Because nested aggregate functions are not supported by RPD. As nested aggregate functions are not supported by RPD, so we are going for what? Level based measures we are going for it. So we are aware of that one. So as part of this total practitioner level now, we learned total 8 chapters we learned, right? What are the 8 chapters we learned? Can you recall it? We learned what is this? Physical layer, we learned it. The physical layer, what are the major 2 steps we have it? What are the major 2 steps? Importing the required tables, joining the tables. That's it. Second, we learned for what is this? BMM layer. The BMM layer, what are the 5 steps we learned? Creating the business model, creating the presentation tables and columns, creating logical joins, renaming the columns, creating the measures. These are the 5 steps what we learned. Then we went for presentation layer, we went for it. Presentation layer, we went for it. In this one, we learned majorly 4 points again. How to create the subject area, how to change the order of the presentation tables and rename the presentation tables, change the order of the presentation columns and rename the presentation columns. What do you mean by aliases? What do you mean by aliases? And what do you mean by nested folders or nested tables we learned. Then we went for what do you mean by check global consistency. Check global consistency, we learned it. There is nothing but testing the RPD. Then the same hands-on, I did one more thing. What is that? Architecture. We went for what? OBIEE 12C. What is that? Architecture. We learned on the same chapter. And the same chapter, we also learned how to load RPD into vServer, Oracle, BA server. We learned about it. In the same chapter, we learned how to modify RPD in online mode. We learned about it. What are the steps we have it? Check out the RPD, modify the objects, check in the RPD, save the RPD, reload server metadata. These are the 5 steps we have. We learned it. Then we went for how to debug a report. For debugging purpose, we learned about what we learned. We learned about log level. In the log level 2 is available, then only I can see the physical SQL query. Physical SQL query is available, I can debug the report. So we learned about debugging the report. To debug the report, log level is going to help you out. These are the points what we learned in the 4th hands-on. 4th hands-on is the biggest hands-on. and it is a very important answer also. Fifth one we went for, what is that? Adding multiple what is that? Physical tables. Sources means what? Physical tables. Two, what is that? LTS. Actually, we can also add to what? LT also, but this part we are going to learn later. As of now, we learned adding to the LT, we learned it. Then we went for calculations. We learned as part of the calculations how to do the difference of what? Numbers. We learned how to do the difference of dates, and we learned how to do the, what is that? Cast function, converting one data type into another data type. We learned evaluate function, that is to directly call the database functions or system not supporting functions, those are things. Next we went for, what is that? Hierarchies. In the hierarchies, we learned one hierarchy, we learned about it, that is called as, what is that? Level based hierarchy, we learned about it. We also know about one more point. We have total 3 hierarchies, but at this point of time we concentrated and we learned only level based hierarchy. Then we went for level based measures, we learned about it. That is majorly useful to calculate the market share calculations, because that is available. We answered, I think, almost 6 or 7 exercises I given, right? Region wise market share, district wise market share within the region, year wise market share, item type wise market share, something like that. I given 7 or 8 questions. We answered those all 8 questions. Now today we need to understand, today we need to start with, what is that? Learner level. We need to start with what? Learner level. Okay, let us go and try to do that one. Right. First point in the learner level is, let us go and try to see it. Learner level totally talks about what? Analytics. Analytics is a web-based component. It is useful to access. Analytics is a web-based component. It is useful to access. What are the things? Web catalog. Next is what? Analysis or answers. It is also called as for the purpose of reports development. Dashboards, KPIs, KPI watch list, then scorecards, administration portal, BA publisher. What is the meaning? Let me open the analytics portal. Analytics portal. This is the analytics portal. Yesterday, TCS, one of the member given an article, digital, what is that? Digital something he given. Okay, one article he given in the Inadu paper. He concentrated on only 3 topics. One is cloud, second is analytics world, and third is what? Digital marketing. Okay, digital robotic process, ROT. Okay, those 3 things are having that life down the line 10 years. We have the good life. That's what he's trying to speak about it. Try to read that paper. It's very good article. Okay, that is what our analytics also one of the part. But what will be changes is, I am saying OBIEE is not only the analytics. Analytics means not only the OBIEE. Analytics is a one concept. So under the analytics, OBIEE may be coming, Tableau may be coming, Power BI may be coming, or data science may be coming, R language may be coming, machine learning may be coming. Are you getting my point? But analytics will be there. Concept will be there. Tools will be changes maybe, but we should be ready with the, if any changes are there also, we should be ready to learn the tools. And once we are strong with the concept, overall process, what it is happening, learning the tool will not make much time. Are you getting my point? Okay. Good. Come to the point here. Our tool is what tool? Analytics tool. Under that one, we are trying to go here, and if you see the new, then what is this? We can develop the report we can develop it. We can develop what? Dashboard, and we can develop a filter, dashboard prompt, and what else not there. Everything we are going to do from this portal. Even let us say you have just completed our entry level training, ELT training. Entry level training, that means freshly recruited from the campus selection, and they given 6 weeks of the training. Generally people are giving nowadays 6 weeks only will give it, and we'll try to keep as a one shadow resource in the one project. As part of the shadow resource, they given this URL to you. Only that day one they will give the only this URL. That nothing is installed in our mission. Nothing is installed in our mission. Only thing is in your laptop is available in the network. That is the reason you are able to access this server. You are able to access what? The server and this port number, and you are able to open this URL. Because your laptop is already in the network. You already plugged the network cable, you plugged it. That's what your laptop will be in the network. You will be able to access this one. So you are a less experienced guy. You are going to work only with reports and dashboards, not with the RPD. That's what I want to clarify here. And learning these reports and dashboards is much easy than what we did till today. Right. So it is a web-based one or it is a Windows-based one? It is a web-based one. Till today, whatever we worked, right? We worked with one of the tool, administration tool. It is a Windows-based one or it is a web-based one? It is a Windows-based one. So it is a Windows-based tool, and whereas analytics is what? It is a web-based tool. Web-based tools to access, you need not install anything in our laptop. But if you want to access the Windows-based tool, means that must be installed in our laptop. Right. Now I am going for next second point. To open analytics page, we need to make sure below servers are running. What are the servers we wanted? WebLogic server. Why WebLogic server? Because it is a web server. Any web page you want to open, we require what? Web server is required. That's what the web server is required. Second is what? Presentation server is required. For example, presentation server is not there. Then what will happen? Suppose I am trying to open here enterprise manager. What is the URL for the enterprise manager? So if you go and try to see this one, here it is what the enterprise manager URL. Let us go and try to type here. http demo.us.oracle.com then colon 7001 /em 7001 em. Now we are providing a username as WebLogic and password as admin123. Then it's trying to open. Now let us go and try to see the BA instance page. I am going to the BA instance page. In the BA instance page, I would like to open the presentation server. Let us go to the availability page, then presentation server. I am trying to stop this one. Yes. If I stop the presentation server, will I able to access the analytics page? No. So if I want to open successfully the analytics page, we need a presentation server. Your RPD totally depending on what? Oracle BA server. Your analytics totally depending on what? Oracle BA presentation server. That you have to get the clarity. Now your server is down here. Your server is down here. As it is down, we are not able to access it. That we understand. Now I am trying to start it. Let me start it. I started. Now for example, I started, so it is going to open now. It is going to open now. It is open. But I am trying to stop now one server. What is the server I am stopping is BA server. Let me stop here BA server. Let me stop this. Yes. Now, if I stop the BA server, if I am trying to open the analytics page, it is opening or not? It is opening. But if I am trying to sign in, it's showing what? Error. Why error is, this username and password is right or wrong. System will validate by Oracle base server only. Oracle base server is responsible to validate this username password is right or wrong. That Oracle base server is not available, though this application is open, it cannot validate the authentication because Oracle base server is not reachable. So in order to successfully log into the application means we required here three things we required. One is what? WebLogic server. Second is what? Oracle BA presentation server. Third is what? Oracle BA server. That's what I want to tell. Okay, now we understand that point. Second is what? We are trying to learn here what is web catalog. What is web catalog? Right. So web catalog is nothing but storage location, one folder. It is simply what? One folder, or it is storage location. Okay, it is a container or predefined folder structure. Container for what? Container to store reports, dashboards, KPIs, scorecards, user profiles, etc. Simple words, whatever work you do using analytics portal. Using analytics portal, whatever work you do, end of the day this work will go and try to store where? In web catalog. And web catalog is also known as BA presentation catalog. If I say BA presentation catalog or web catalog or catalog, all are one and same. Let us say 6 months you worked in the project. After 6 months you are happy with the project, you want to move your code with the production. Then you will move only two things. One is RPD, second is web catalog. What are the two things you are going to move? RPD, second is what? Web catalog. So these two objects only, whatever work you are doing, that work is storing. In physical layer, BMM layer, presentation layer, whatever you are doing, that is storing where? In RPD. We are developing a report or dashboard or KPI or whatever you do in analytics portal, that is storing where? In the web catalog. In the web catalog or presentation catalog or catalog. It is simply one folder. You will see that folder where it is at. Now, suppose today you install the product. You want to create one fresh web catalog, you want to create it. What you have to do for that? Navigate to the below path. Navigate to the below path. This is the path: Oracle Home, User Projects, Domains, BA data. Up to here you are aware of it or not? Even we went for SSI metadata also, we went for it. Yes or no? We saw our RPD over there only, right? Live RPD. Whenever we upload the RPD, that is renaming as what? Live RPD, and live RPD is available in this location only, right? Let us go and try to navigate to that location. I am going to here. Let us go and try to see Oracle's home. Next is what? Documents, Oracle inventory, scripts. Okay, what is this? App. Then what is this? Oracle. Then what is this? We have to go for BA EE. This is what our location. Next, where you have to go? User, projects, domains, BA. Then we have to go for BA data. Then service instance. Then SSI. Then metadata. Then we have here content. Previously we went for what? Data model. Then under the data model we saw our RPD. If you load the RPD, that's what it is going to happen as a live RPD. This is the RPD which is using by our server. We should not delete this one. If you delete, our RPD missing. If you want to do any modifications also, what you have to do? Download the RPD. We have the command, download command is available, right? Download the RPD and work 2 or 3 days. If you have big work is available, work 2 or 3 days in offline. Then we have to upload the RPD. If it is 1 or 2 hours of work, means we can do where directly open online mode and try to work on it. That is the best way. Major work, download, work in offline and upload it. Minor work, directly open online and try to do the check-in, check-out, those things. Okay, now time being, let me go for what is this? Content. In the content, what is available here? Catalog. In the catalog, this is where the location what I am trying to talk about it. If I say catalog or web catalog or presentation catalog, all are one and same. All are one and same. Suppose if you want to create one new catalog, all you have to do is whatever you have the catalog here, right? This catalog, try to delete from here. Catalog folder, try to delete from here. But anyhow, before deleting something, general practice is what? We are going to take the backup or not? You have to take the backup. That is the reason even whenever I was testing previously, what I did, this backup I taken and I tried to rename as what? Catalog underscore test something I kept it. If I delete this one, then if I go and try to restart my Oracle OBIEE presentation, see here. Take backup of catalog folder. Take backup means what? Same thing, copy and paste in the same location. Delete the catalog. Whatever we have, we are deleting it. Next, what we are doing? Just we are trying to sign into the analytics. It may take some time. Based on our hardware, 30 minutes also it will take it. Wait for that one, catalog will be created. Here one beautiful thing is, are we restarting Oracle OBIEE presentation server? No, we are not restarting Oracle OBIEE presentation server. That means without downtime, we are able to create what? New presentation catalog, we are able to create it. I will show you for our understanding purpose. Anyhow, tomorrow I will do this one. Practically in the 11G only I will do it. Not tomorrow, today itself we will do it even. Let me go for OBIEE 11G. In the 11G nodes, we have here same topic is available in the learner level. Creating web catalog. You see here, we are trying to configure the interface manager and we are deciding what my new name is, whatever new name is available that I am deciding it. My new name is I am deciding as what? New catalog name as RRA Tech. Then finally, what I am doing here? That is the advantage in 12C. In 11G, if I want to create the new catalog or if I want to change the catalog also, let's say 2 catalogs are available. One is testing catalog, one is development catalog. Now in development catalog, we have the more updates. Then I thought, okay, we should not use testing catalog, we'll use the development catalog only, we copied and pasted. Let us say I have here 2 catalogs are available in my location now. My goal is I want to use this one, not this. Then what I have to do in case of 11G, I have to restart it. I have to change the name and I have to restart it. But here you need not do that one. Just simply remove this catalog and this only rename as, what is that? Catalog, you try to rename it, then try to log in and start working on it. Maybe first time you are logging in means it's going to take some time. That too, it is creating new catalog means it's going to take some time. If it is already existing catalog only, we have the content and everything is available, it won't take much time. You got my point? Okay. Anyhow, what we are trying to do is, this is what OBIEE told you first. What I am trying to say, take the backup of existing catalog and try to delete that catalog, then sign into the analytics. That's it. We trying to use now new catalog. We are trying to use what? New catalog. So if sign in page throwing any error, refer to saw log file. Suppose previously we are showing one error, right? Authentication failed like that. Any error is throwing, We can utilize log file, we can utilize it. Which is available in that location, it is available. We can go and we can visit that one. Now, catalog contains internally how many folders? 3 folders. Okay, before going for that point, now tell me, new catalog creation, is it clear for you or not? New catalog creation, is it clear for you or not? In toolc. Any steps I have to do here, or everything is understandable? 4 points only available. One is we know now where we have to go. We know now how to take the backup, copy and paste it. We know now what? Delete the catalog and sign to the analytics. Why I am not doing this one is because of this. I cannot do it that much time. That's what I am not doing it. But we will do same thing in 11G. We will do it in 11G. It is a bit fast. Okay. To do the same task in 11G, what I will do is let me close this VM. This VM I am closing it. I am shutting down this VM. Then let me open the other VM. I have here 11G VM. Let me open that. Once it is closed, then I can open that. Then we'll see same how to create the catalog. In 11G we'll try to see it. Okay, then we'll come to understand differences, how it is happened. And this is the one chapter which is totally changed from 11G to toolc. Already we learned one chapter which is changed totally from 11G to toolc. What is the chapter? Uploading RPD, right? Similarly this also. And in both the cases, the Oracle guy made in toolc 0 downtime. If I want to change the RPD, or if I want to change the catalog, or if I want to load the new RPD, or if I want to create the new catalog, I need not maintain any downtime in toolc. In 11G, downtime is required. That's what the greatness, what 11G to toolc happened. Now, let me go for 11G. I am trying to resume this virtual machine. It's opening. Let it take some time. Now, time being, let me go for the now 11G nodes. Now, already these points are copy and paste only. Nothing changed. Previously already discussed. From this navigation will be changes here. In creating this web catalog, we have how many steps? 3 steps. One is configure enterprise manager, restart Oracle OBIEE presentation server, confirm catalog created or not in the catalog folder. What do you mean by configuring in enterprise manager? In enterprise manager, go to the deployment page, then repository, click on lock and edit configuration, close it. Why you are doing lock and edit configuration? Without that, it won't allow you to edit it. 11G or toolc, both the places it is what? Common. Both the places it is common. Okay. Let us go and try to do that activity. I am going to the VM. Now it is trying to open. It's opened. I am trying to open the enterprise manager. What is the URL for this one? Enterprise manager URL? HTTP. This is installed in which mission? 11G. RRA Tech mission it is installed. So RRA Tech. Then 7001. Then I want to go for the EM. Now login. We logged in. Then I want to go for here business intelligence core application. Now we want to go to the deployment page. There we have an option. What is this? Bottom OBIEE presentation catalog. And this window you are aware of it or not? We upload our RPD using this window only. 11G we did, toolc also we did it. Now here, what is this meaning, sir? Can you read it? This section shows the current location of the catalog used by which server? Presentation service. Used by presentation service. Use this section to change the location of the catalog or to share the catalog by pointing to some shared location. At this point of time, it is using which catalog it is using? B248 RRA Tech catalog it is using. B248 RRA Tech catalog it is using. What is the meaning of it is using B248 RRA Tech catalog is, if I go to the analytics portal, if I try to develop something, let's say web logic, then go to the new, then analysis, supplier sales representative. Let me take any one column, then I am trying to save this one as one name. What is your batch number? B160 I given, right? B160 test report something I given here. Now where you saved this one? Sorry, I didn't see the saved location. Where is that? B254 folder. Why to B254 folder? We'll create our own folder. B160. Now I am trying to click on OK. Now if you go and try to observe the location, where is the location? My computer, C drive, OBIEE home, instance one. Already people are aware of it. Up to here it is common. Your work is available where? In OBIEE foundation. Now catalog is controlled by which server? Go to that folder, that is presentation service component. Next we have here, what is this? Inside the catalog, so many catalogs are available, but which catalog is using by my server? Which catalog is using by my server? Which catalog? B248 RR8 catalog is using by my server. If you go and try to observe here, B248 RR8 catalog using by my server, that's what we are seeing here. Latest timestamp 5/29/2017 that means today only or not? Yes. If you go inside this one, what is this? Root. Inside this one, shade. In the shade, what is available? Today only we created just now. Inside this one, what is available? Our report. That means whatever work you are doing, it is coming and storing in the catalog folder only or not. But my goal is what? I don't want to use this catalog. I want to create altogether new catalog. I want to create altogether new catalog. How I can do that? In toolc means what is the meaning? Delete the catalog, then log in, it will create automatically, I said. In 11G, how we are going to do it? That's what we are learning. Okay. In 11G, what you have to do is, we have to go to the location. What is the name it is available? This name we try to change it. What name catalog you want? What is the new catalog name you want to put it? That name you have to change here. If I want to change it, it is freezed, right? Then what I have to do? Lock and 8 configuration. Then it's going to allow us to modify it. In the bottom, we can observe at the end. Then we are seeing here, what do you want? I want my catalog name as B160 and RRITEC underscore catalog. Then I am trying to delete here. Any other things is available, I am trying to delete. Now my catalog name is what? B160 RRITEC underscore catalog. Is this catalog is available in this catalog folder? Is this catalog is available in the catalog folder? No. Now I am trying to click on here. What is this? Apply. I clicked on the apply. Next point is what is the configuration file of Oracle OBIEE server we land? nkconfig.ini. What is the log file of Oracle OBIEE server we land already? nq server log. What is the report log file we land? nq query. Similarly, Oracle OBIEE presentation server has one configuration file. What is that? Exactly, instance config.xml file. Instance config.xml file. Where it is located? We will try to see 11G as well as 12C both. Now first let us see the 11G. I am going to the 11G. The 11G, you know, let me open one more window. Up to instance 1, it is common, right? If I want to go for configuration file, where I have to go? Config. Which server configuration file you want? Presentation server. In the presentation server, what is available here? Instance config. Inside instance config, if I go and try to edit, we can see here one of the catalog path we have here. It is pointing to what it is pointing? Old one, right? It's not yours. It's not yours. Right. I want to point out that one means what I have to do here. I have to do here. What is this? Activate changes. Activate changes. If I click on activate changes, system what it will do is whatever name is available here, that name it will take it and put in the instance config.xml file. And put it in the instance config.xml file. Once it is activated, we'll go and try to observe once again. Close it. Now I am going here, then I am trying to close this one and try to reopen it. I am trying to reopen it. Then you can observe here catalog path, what it is showing. Our new catalog is showing or not? Yes, configuration file is changed. Is it our server started using ours? No. Is it catalog is created at least in this location now? No. These two things will happen. If you restart the Oracle OBIEE presentation server, then only it happens. Creating the new catalog as well as using that catalog will happen only if you restart the Oracle OBIEE presentation server. This is the hard point in 11c, because we are restarting Oracle OBIEE presentation server means what? Downtime we are creating it. We have to inform to all business users, hey man, this time to this time the system will be down, like that I have to inform. Okay, different people will tell different ways. Okay, we have to get the approvals, then we have to process further. Okay, now in 12c I need not ask anyone, I can do my own work. Dependency is decreased or not? Yes. So now come to the point here. How to restart here Oracle OBIEE presentation server now. I am going to the availability, then presentation server, then restart it. And before restarting, I would like to show you in the catalog folder that catalog is not available. If I click on the restart, then first system what it will do is, it will go to the instance config.xml. It reads the name. Okay, B160 RRAT catalog, I have to use it. Okay, let me go to the catalog folder. It sees in the catalog, do I have that catalog already with that name? It verifies it. If it is already available with that name, it uses the existing one. It uses the existing one. If it is not available, it creates the new one. So now we can observe here what happened here. It's created, new catalog it's created. New catalog it's created. And as part of this process, you are restarting Oracle OBIEE presentation server, and suppose it is failed. Luckily it is passed. Suppose it is failed. Where I can see the root cause. For example, I am going to the close. Then what I will do is, I wantedly what I will do is here, I am giving here the drive name. I am giving here the drive name as Z drive I am giving. Do I have Z drive in my system? No. Z drive is not available. By mistake I given that path I given. Then I am trying to restart my Oracle OBIEE presentation server. In instance config.xml file is updated or not? If you go and try to observe instance config.xml file, let us edit here. What is the drive it is showing now? What is the drive it is showing? Z drive. System will try to search Z drive in the runtime now. If I am trying to restart here Oracle OBIEE presentation server, then it tries to search for the Z drive. As Z drive is not available, it is going to throw the error. As I did mistake using my hand, I know what mistake I did it. But in reality what will happen? Mistakes will happen. But we don't know reason. The reason if we want it means we have to go for salog file. Where is the salog file? My computer, OBIEE home, instance 1, diagnostics, logs, presentation service component. Then we can see here salog. I am seeing so many salogs. Which salog is mine? Latest timestamp. Which is the latest timestamp here? This, right? What is the behavior is here? First we installed it. Then first salog 0 only available. Once it is 10 MB completed, 10 MB size is completed. Creates what? Salag 1. Like that, creates up to Salag 9. Salag 9 also 10 MB completed. It recycles. Again, it comes to what? Salag 0. That is the reason. See the timestamp 1/12/2016. What is the timestamp? The next day, right? So 10 files it is creating 0 to 9. 10 files it is creating 10 tens are 100 MB. 100 MB it is allocating for Salag. Salag 9, whenever it reaches the 10 MB, it recycles what? Salag 0. That's how the behavior is happening here. We always have to see what is the latest log based on the timestamp. Based on the timestamp. Now my timestamp is available here. Open this. First it is failed or not. You can observe here, sure it will fail. It is failed. I want to see the reason. Our log is always available in the bottom. If you go to the bottom, it's not understanding here. What is this? Question mark. We don't know what is this. So now you understand 2 points. Oracle OBIEE presentation server configuration file name is what? Instance config.xml. Oracle OBIEE presentation server log file name is what? Saw log file. These are the 2 points what you have to understand. Now let me correct it. Then let me correct it here. Let me go to the deployment. Lock and date configuration. Lock and date configuration. Now close it. I am changing this one to the C drive. Then click on the apply. Then click on the activate changes. Click on the availability. Restart Oracle OBIEE presentation server. Now tell me, already I have the catalog or not? It creates the new catalog or it uses the existing catalog? It uses the existing catalog. So process for creating the new catalog or using the existing catalog, both are same or not? Both are same. If catalog is not available, you give your own name. If catalog is already available, whatever catalog you want to use it, that catalog name will provide it. That's it. Are you getting my point? Okay, now as already this catalog is available, it try to use the existing catalog. It won't create again new catalog. It won't create again new catalog. Okay, that point is clear. Now let us go and try to see inside the catalog folder what are the things available. Let us say I have here catalog is created. This is what the nodes. Now we completed what? Configuring Enterprise Manager, and we know this point already. If you click on activate changes, okay, this file is available in below path. This all information we are aware of it or not? Then restart what? Oracle OBIEE presentation server, we are aware of it. Third point is what? Confirm catalog in the catalog folder. From here again 11G tools is same. From step 3 onwards what? 11G tools it is same. Are you getting my point? The difference? Okay. So now as it is same from step 3 onwards, I can go and I can close this one. Do you want this window then? I'm suspending. Any questions you have it? Because 2 VMs I cannot open simultaneously because of the RAM problem. I am closing this one. I am suspending it. Then I am trying to open, going back to the 12C1. Let it complete. I think it's completed. Okay, it's switching on. Let it switch on. Meanwhile, you people understand now difference between 11G and 12C. Let us go back to the now 12C only. We understand now we created the catalog. Once we create the catalog, what is there inside that? We'll try to understand. Catalog contains what? 3 folders. Before going for this one, here I want to see where is the instance config.xml file in 12C. Where is the salog file in 12C? We'll see the 2 points. Then we'll go for the understanding of the catalog inside what is there. Shall we start? Okay. For that, I am going to this mission. Now, I think you can guide me. Where is the ncase.config.ini file I shown it? Up to BI it is common, right? Yes or no? Up to BI it is common. Then where you have to go? Config. Then which config you have to go next? FMW config. Next where you have to go? BI config. Next where you have to go? OBIEE config. Next where you have to go? Instance config.xml. This is the path where we have the instance config.xml in case of 12c. Okay, navigate to that path I given somewhere, that I didn't give any here. If you want to write somewhere, you can write it, or else ignore it. You are able to remember, right? No? Okay. Please write somewhere. In 12c, instance config.xml file path is in 12c. In 12c, instance config.xml path is in 12c. Instance config.xml path is what is the path? This is the path. I cannot copy it. Please rewrite it now. I'll copy later. Copied? Okay. Now, that's fine. What is the path? Slash BA, it's common up to here. Next what? BA config. Next,
FMW config.
what is that?
Fusion middleware config.
FMW config. Then BA config. Then OBIEE PS. Then that's it, right? Correct? Okay. Fine. Before that, we have here user projects. Those all things are common. Okay. Next one, we understand now this one. Next is what? Salog file I want it. Where is the salog file in 12c? Where is the salog file in 12c? So up to here, it's common anyhow. So up to BA, I am trying to move back. So in the BA, where I have to go? Where you have to go? BA logs. Next, service instance SSI. Sorry, I think I went wrong. Sorry. We missed that path. BIE tools lib config BIE data. If you forget what to do,
Compose.
search. That's it. Before doing for one more time, let me see it. User projects and BA, two things are there. We searched these two things. Domains we went and BA. There we don't have. Should be there in BA logs only, but it's not there. Okay, this is the location where we have it. Finally, we found it. You should appreciate, right? Yes. Okay. Generally, we need not visit these logs actually. Just for more understanding purpose, I am showing backend where it is available. If you face some problem also, there itself we have one option, view log option is available, right? In the browser itself, we have what is the option? View log. If you click on the view log, there itself you will get the answer. Okay, but generally if you have the backend understanding also, it is good. That is the reason we are going for it. Here also same procedure. In 11G, what is the situation? Salag 0, once it is 10 MB, it is completed, move on to the Salag 1, then Salag 2, like that. That's what we have. So many Salags are available. Latest one is 28th May. That is the latest one. It is as per the EST timings. Written. Let me note it down here also. Somewhere we given the log file name, we given the notes. In the sign-in page, yeah, this is the one. Already we have it, sir. We did too much of hard work. Here already we have it. Okay, we already have it. I already updated in the document. Okay, but however, it's okay. That's how if you forget also you can navigate here and there and you can see it. No problem. Now, let us go and try to see here. Next point. We know now in 11G how to create the new catalog. In 11G how to use the existing catalog. In 12C how to create the new catalog. In 12C how to use the existing catalog. Both we are aware of it now. Yes or no? Next, inside the catalog, what is there? That we don't know. That we are going to learn it now. That's where we are going for from this point onwards. Catalog contains inside that one how many folders? 3 folders. Number 1 is called as shared folder. It is also known as public folder. Next is called as users. It is also known as my folders or personal folder. Next is called as system folder. These are the 3 folders which will be available. Let us go and try to see it really it is available or not. Where is the catalog? We have to go to the user projects. Then domains, BI data, then service instance, SSI, then metadata, then content, then catalog. This is the catalog. Inside the catalog, we have here what is available: shared folder, users folder, system folder. This is what the 3 things what I am talking about. What is the difference among these things? What is the difference among these things? To understand the difference, let us read the first point. This folder is useful to share reports or dashboards or KPIs, etc. to end user or business users. Let us say I saved one report in that one. That can be accessed by anyone in the world. However, if I want to provide some permissions, I can provide it. If you are not providing any permissions, no restrictions, then by default everyone can access it. What about the my folder? This folder is personal folder. Personal folder means what? That can be accessed by only me, no one else in the world. It will be created for each and every user separately with the name of user whenever first time is signed into the analytics portal. So if you go and try to observe this location, users location, we have here Abel, Binnu, these all users are available. These all users created whenever they logged in first time. Whenever they logged in first time. For example, what I will do is now, I will go to the console portal. I'll go to the console portal, http demo.us.oracle.com, then :7001/console. Now I am in the console portal. Then I am going to the security. Then I am going to the my realm. Then I am going to the users and groups. Then new user. Yes. What is your good name, madam? Now I given some name. Now go for here. Password also same. Let us say click on OK. We created now. Password must be at least 8 characters length. Okay. RR capital ITEC small 1 2 3. RR capital ITEC small 1 2 3. Then OK. We create one user. Now is this user available in this particular folder? Is this user available in this particular folder? No. But now what I will do is I will go here into the analytics portal. I am trying to log in here. I am trying to log in here with this user. Once I logged in, it's time to log in. It's logged in. Now go and try to observe here. Are you seeing the folder? Yes. Yeah, it is there. Today only it's created. That means what? Whenever a user first time logged in, that folder is creating or not? That folder is creating. Now let me do one thing. What I am doing is, let us say I will go for, let us say sign out, sign in as WebLogic user, and I am trying to develop a new report analysis. Everyone aware of it, new report, how to develop it. Then I am trying to save it into the folder. Which folder? My folder. My folder. Whom's my folder? WebLogic's my folder. And I am giving the name of this one as, let us say, REDDY Reddy I am giving. Okay. Now it is saved into which folder? If you go and observe your backend, WebLogic my folder. WebLogic my folder means inside this one you can find out Reddy is there. Where? Yeah, it is available. It's created, now only it's created. If you want, you can see the list view. There you can see the timestamp. Now, what is my question is next? If I go for sign out and sign in, let us say now RR capital, ITC small, 1, 2, 3. Now, will she able to see that report whatever I have it? No. In the my folders, do I have anything? No. But whereas shared folders, we have a lot of things. Means what? Means what? If a user creates a report inside the my folders, that can be accessible by only that user. No one else can access it. But same report is created in the shared folder, that can be accessed by anyone. Suppose let us verify that also. I am trying to sign out, sign in as WebLogic user. I am trying to develop one report. I am trying to develop one report. Let us say, let me take any one column, save it into the shared folder. I am trying to give the name as, let us say, ROM. Click on OK. It is not allowing me. Why? Root folder you cannot save it. Directly in the shared folder you cannot save it. If you want to save it, you have to create here one more folder. You have to create it. As already we have some folder B160, I am selecting it. There I am trying to click on OK. Now ROM folder is created where? Shared folder is created. Now what I will do is I am going for sign out, sign in as Lavanya user, then sign in. Sorry. Password is what? RRITEC123. Now if you go and try to observe the catalog, in the catalog shared folders, in the shared folders B160 folder, there are you seeing a ROM report or not? If she want to access the report output also she can see it. But she is not able to see what? The my folders, whatever I saved it, she is not able to see it. Got my point? So that is the difference what you have between my folders and shared folders. That activity only I given here bottom, whatever I did, this is what the activity I did it. Now what is a system folder? It is useful to store system level properties. System level properties. This folder is not accessible from the analytics space. Are you seeing in the analytics space the system folder? No, only two folders are available, my folders and shared folder. System folder is not available. That means as a developer you don't have the control on the system folder. System will control that one. Right. That's what the catalog. And if you go and try to observe, we completed now. Catalog we completed. Now log on. This is all done. Filters will be stored in underscore filter. These are things you can walk through it. And tomorrow I will start with what? Analysis I will start with. What we learned today? How to create catalog in OBIEE 11G as well as in OBIEE 12C. And as part of that one, what is the Oracle OBIEE presentation server configuration file, log file, 11G and 12C we got chance to see. And inside the catalog folder we have three folders, shared folders, my folders and system folder. And we are aware of it, the differences between shared folder and my folder we are aware of it. Try to learn till this point of time. Tomorrow we'll start with the analysis. And tomorrow onwards again all the options are same in 11G and 12C. Only this chapter in the learner level, only this chapter is different. Remaining all are same. Right. Thank you. Bye bye.